What's going on, guys? We're back on another video. Today, we are going to be playing a game called Deception. It's a search game. It's like murder mystery, but you have to do missions before the imposter kills you. I have not played this game before, and we have to complete all our tasks. Oh crap, it's dark. And we have to complete all our tasks, before the killer gets to us. Oh, he killed me, just like that. See? Yep, body found by Orange. See, I'm a ghost now. I need to finish my task so my team can win the game. I forgot who it was. I don't know. My dad died. Jesus Christ, that's scary. What the heck? Okay, this is weird already. So, see, I'm dead. So I'm thinking about this because some guy already saw me, tried to kill me. And whoever gets voted out falls into a pit of lava. That's what I see from the trailer. It looks pretty late. But yeah, I died, so. First, I'm not gonna skip this because I don't want to. I can't vote because I'm dead. But I can't remember who it was. Yeah, it was Purple Man. I can't chat, watch what happens. I'm gonna say hi. I was gonna say, I can't. Enter. It says, you are muted and cannot talk on this channel. What happens when you die? Oh, who's it? It's probably Orange. No! It was Purple! Brother! Oh, they were an imposter? Because there's 2 imposters each round. So that was just one of them. So I need to complete this task all the way until I get to the top, and we win. So that's what we need to do. So we just need to follow these. Oh, okay, so turn the generator on. Boop. Boop. Okay, so there it goes. See, it goes up, and once it goes fully, it says 0 goes. Finish your task so you can win the game. Simple. Let's go to this one over here. Cryo chamber. Someone in there? Oh, someone's in there. Han Solo? Is it you? So what do I need to do? Oh, making it colder in here. No. We want it to get hotter. Body found by Orange. Uh-oh. I followed my guts. Okay. Well, I know it's this guy. Clown guy. Clown guy! No, it's him! He's so bad. Oh, man. Where did you find it? No, it's not. It's not Orange. No. It's Masked Man. I really want to say it. Oh, it's the Clown Boy. Come on, guys. Y'all are smarter. It's my boy, Pennywise's ugly son. Come on. Pink, stop capping. It's Purple. I wish I could just spam Purple. They'll all be gonna vote for Orange. Rip Orange, or Pink, whichever one. Rip. Let's find out. Oh crap. Okay, everyone's voting. Who is it? Come on, please be Clown Boy. No! No, he was a scientist. He was innocent. Rip. Okay, so I think we get like 2 more or 1 more. Hey, there's a fellow ghost. Fellow ghost boy. Okay, we need to. Okay, look, he's being unfrozen, so that's good. We need to go this way. Oh no! It's not Orange, it's Purple Boy. I swear, it has to be Clown Boy. Look how much bodies, look how much invisible kids there are. Oh my goodness. Epic dubs for days. No, it was not her. She didn't kill anyone. Dead chat. How is he typing? Because we're ghosts. Okay, it's Clown. It's Clown, boys. I can't. teaming is happening. Bruh! Alright, I'm gonna just tell you guys, once the guy dies, I'll just get into the next round for you guys. Can we just... Okay, actually, no, I want to do it, because I just need to do, like, one more round. Mission. Okay, who's it? I think it's... Yeah, Teal. LOL! They were scientists! Oh, fools! It was orange. Watch. Imposters win. Yep. I knew it! Yeah. In your dreams, you are. Yeah, in your dreams you are. Okay, so we're about to go into a new round. Sign test. Complete tests before the imposter kills you. No problem. $10. It's teal and orange. $10. $10 is all I gotta say. Alright. Turn on map computer. I don't know where to go for that, but these noises. Oh no, green's following me. Get away from me. I think she's just trying to do the thing. I think she's about to do it. So. There we go. I'm a blue boy. I look pretty nice in a blue suit. Slide to the left. This one's, I think, another hold down, right? Oh, okay. Emergency beating gray green. That scared the crap out of me. I'm cooking some steak. Oh, God. Okay, I'm gonna just go for orange. Come on, I gotta go for orange. Please tell me no one voted for me. What, people voted for me? Are you joking? Two people voted for me. Bro, I'm Inno. I'm an Inno boy. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Watch the murder happen. Watch the murder happen. How can we crouch in this game? Bro, I know someone's following me. Yeah. Yeah. Right, yeah. It's like, yeah, sure. Like you were doing that. No, I can't trust pink either. Why is it dark? Oh God! Oh God! Oh, purple, purple, please. We can talk about this, right? Oh, power's back on. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Already 9 minutes in. Cause I had to do half the time being a ghost. Cause I instantly died. I haven't clocked into work. $10. Psych. Not calling any emergency meeting. Come on, hurry. Hold, green. Please, I'm coming. Okay, just a few more. Oh, okay. Oh, clock it to work. This is cool. That's cool. Okay, I just need to do a few more. Oh god, black's coming in. Oh, it's dark again. Okay, gotta go get that generator. I think. I'm learning stuff about this game now. Oh gosh, it's a freezer. I don't want to go in the freezer. Bro, pantry. Bro, oh crap, it's back on. Phew. Wait, what happened? Nothing. Everything's on. Did the game end? Whew. Okay, who won? How? Wait, what? Like, how do you win? That sucks. Bro, I want to be an imposter. Dang. I don't think it's still on. I don't know. I think it's like a time limit thing. I don't know. I have to be careful because I have my suspicious stuff about him. I'm a quick follow. Yeah! Seriously, that scared the crap out of me. I was just black. Yeah, bro, I walked by you. I don't know. I'm gonna say it's orange. Please, people, come. I don't want to get voted out. I don't want to get voted out. Please. Oh no, voted for me. I think it's orange. What? No one got voted? That's so weird. Well, I need to know. I can't keep going in just for the stuff. I'm watching green. I ain't stupid. Okay, maybe I am, but still. She's following her. Dude, she doesn't know I'm a secret spy. Come on now, girl. It's green. Green, Chica's following. Yeah, you are stupido. Farmer. Bro, pick green already. Like, obviously it's her. I voted. I can't skip vote. Yeah, look how much people voted. It's her, right? Yes. Bye. $10 is her. Come on, I'm gonna feel so bad. Oh, I knew it. All right. Woo.